Hey, this is Charles Raven from infospike.com, and I'm going to share 8 steps to start high ticket affiliate marketing today. And what I focus on is helping ordinary people make some awesome income online, especially passive income. And if you're cool with this, if you want to learn more, make sure that you like and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get rolling here. What is this stuff all about? When you hear high ticket, what is it? It's about promoting premium products and earning significant commissions per sale. Instead of selling many low cost items, you focus on high value products, multiplying your results with less effort. This strategy allows you to create revenue streams by connecting buyers with quality solutions they already need. So, a little bit more about this. So many people they get pulled into promoting some of the popular e-commerce shops and they pull in commissions like let's say $1 to $10 per sale. That's too low. You could do well if you're selling extremely high volume, if you are an extreme traffic wizard, but if you're just getting started, if you can make like let's say several hundreds of dollars per sale, it makes a huge difference. You pretty much put in a similar amount of effort, but you make way more down the line. Choose a profitable niche. You start by identifying a niche where people spend a lot to solve a problem or improve their lives. Think of areas like luxury travel, business tools, or financial services. Pick something you're interested in and check the demand using Google Trends or online forums. And I'll tell you this, I used to be in financial services way back, close to a couple decades ago. And when I was promoting financial services, I was talking to people that were complete strangers. And some of them, they would trust me so much that they would even do IRA rollovers, 401k rollovers into an IRA. And what that meant was that some of them were rolling over hundreds of thousands of dollars into an account that I would establish for them. And I just met them very cold. Some people I even met in places like a bookstore. So, can people be willing to spend thousands of dollars on people that they don't even know, or they just know for a short amount of time? The answer is yes. So, luxury travel, business tools, business courses, that's what I do, and systems, those are very huge and can lead to some great sums of money. So, let's go ahead and talk about it more. You want to find the right affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs that pay $500 or more per sale. Research companies in your niche offering premium products. Check platforms like ClickBank or PartnerStack for options. Make sure you understand their commission rates, rules, and payment terms before signing up. So that's the cool thing about this. You could register for a program. Most of the time, I would say that 100% of the time after I left financial services, there was nothing I went into that required a license or certification, anything from my state. I'm here in Silicon Valley, so nothing from the state of California. I just had to sign up. And many cases, there are no to low cost programs that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions. And I'll provide a link in my description for the top one that I promote. But this is something where, again, you could earn hundreds of dollars, sometimes well over $1,000 per sale, and that is a single sale. And ClickBank, PartnerStack, you could find some good options there, but just keep in mind that these are extremely popular platforms. They're good. If you are an experienced marketer, there's going to be some awesome options for you. But of course, with anything that is extremely mainstream, there's going to be more competition. So just want to let you know that up front. Build a trustworthy online presence. Create a professional website or blog as your home base. Include an about, helpful resources, content that solves problems in your niche. Add social media accounts to connect with your audience. Consistency and value are key to building trust. I typically tie this in also with YouTube videos as well. You could post YouTube videos on a website that you own, but I still believe that this is your home base and you could use multiple channels beyond search engine optimization, beyond Google, to bring in traffic to your website. Create content that converts. Focus on content that educates and solves problems for your audience. Write product reviews, tutorials, or comparison guides that highlight how your affiliate products help. Be transparent about your affiliate links to maintain credibility and loyalty. So that's very crucial nowadays. Make sure that you are putting a disclaimer on your page saying that you are an affiliate that you do earn money as a result of clicking on your link and making a sale. That's what I do in a lot of my material, even my YouTube videos. I'll put it in the description. But you want to focus on content that converts, and these types of examples, reviews, tutorials, comparison guides, how-to guides, and all that, that will help you connect with your audience. People will search for that material, whether it's on a search engine, doesn't matter if it's on Google, it could even be on YouTube, it could even be on Facebook. There are so many different search engines nowadays, but people will find those because they really, really are looking to make that decision on a purchase or learn more about something and improve their knowledge, and you could help them. Drive quality traffic to your platform. Use search engine optimization to bring in visitors searching for solutions in your niche. Share content on YouTube, Pinterest, and LinkedIn depending on your audience. And when I say LinkedIn, I'm mostly talking about LinkedIn articles. That's what I use. And then once you create an article, you go ahead and share that to the community. There are people that don't even have a community on LinkedIn. They're just posting articles and they get found through the search engines. So consider guest posting or joining online communities to expand your reach. Quality traffic leads to better results. In the days of AI that we're in right now, I still believe that search engine optimization is extremely crucial, because even these large language models like ChatGPT, these AI systems, you still need to create content that can be found through these LLMs. Some people call that large language model optimization. That's like AI SEO. And that is very good for the future, because a lot of the search engines are offering AI results nowadays. So you want to be found. And if you're just picking one platform, YouTube is awesome because some of the newer AI chat systems will go ahead and pull in content from various places, including videos. So there is so much potential out there nowadays. I just want to mention that because some people are scared of SEO because of AI, but now there's a kind of like a newer opportunity here for people that want to optimize for these chat systems. Use email marketing to build relationships. Offer a free resource like a guide or checklist to grow your email list. Send educational emails that provide value. Before introducing your affiliate product, personalize your emails and focus on how the product benefits your audience. One easy way to do this, to build a connection through emails, is you create content just like what I'm talking about, and you share that through YouTube, and then you share your emails that share that YouTube link. So you share your YouTube videos through your emails, especially if you're the one who's talking. That would be a good advantage for you versus an AI voice. That's what I'm trying to compare to. And that will help you build your connection with your audience. Highly recommend that. Offer bonuses to add value. Create exclusive bonuses for people who buy through your affiliate link. These could include templates, tutorials, extra resources related to the product. Explain how these bonuses provide extra support and help them get better results. So I want to say this. Some people will promote many products, and that is something that is highly recommended by many top marketers, digital marketers, affiliate marketers. Sometimes people will get bored of just one offer, but I want to say this. There's actually two ways to do it. One way is that you promote a different product every week and you create a new set of bonuses for that product. Another way is that, let's say that you have a core high ticket product, and maybe it might even have, like, let's say a low entry point. What you can do is think about various angles where there are, of course, kind of like different subtopics, different hooks of that product. And like, let's say that you come up with a dozen, you can create bonuses for those angles. So every single week, you're promoting a different set of bonuses, and then you could just rotate through them. Again, like let's say that you have a dozen, you could rotate through those bonus bundles while promoting the same core offer. So that's one way to do it. Track your results and improve. Use tools like Google Analytics to see what's working. Test different headlines, content types, and strategies to optimize your results. Over time, Small improvements in your approach can lead to big gains in your overall success. So I shared a whole bunch of information to help you get started in high ticket affiliate marketing. I want to provide you with a simpler way. This simple way will help you make some great passive income online. And I want to share this free PDF with you. I invite you to check it out. Click the link in my description and just go ahead and put in your email address, and you'll be able to grab this free PDF to help you get started in earning some awesome high ticket commissions. This is Charles Draven. Thank you for watching.